Hi, I'm going to cook now, and you in the meantime subscribe. Your subscription is the best motivation to create new videos. Cut the chicken fillet into small pieces. I have 200 grams of chicken. Then fry it in vegetable oil from all sides. Cut each broccoli floret into 2 pieces. Those that are larger are cut into 4 pieces. Although you don't really need to cut it at all. I have 350 gr of broccoli, and it has to be blanched. To blanch broccoli, I boil water, add salt to the boiling water, put the broccoli into the boiling water for 2 minutes. I count 2 minutes from the moment the water boils again. Two minutes have passed. I throw the broccoli on a sieve and place it under cold water. Then I leave it to drain the water. I use 2 kinds of cheese, mozzarella cheese 400 gr and creamy cheese 200 gr. Then I grate the cheese. To make the sauce, I take about 700 grams of sour cream and some salt, black ground pepper, and half of the previously grated mozzarella. Then mix everything thoroughly. You can also add chicken eggs. Then the dish will be more airy after baking, but I will not add them. Next, cut the tomatoes into rings. I have 4 tomatoes. Then rub the baking dish with butter. I put the fried chicken on the mold. Pour the previously prepared sauce. Then spread the blanched broccoli evenly on top of the sauce. Sprinkle everything with the remaining mozzarella cheese. Spread the tomatoes cut into rings. Cover the tomatoes with grated cream cheese. Cover the mold with foil and perforate it to release steam. Put the mold into the preheated to 180 degrees oven for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, remove the foil and leave the mold in the oven for another 10 minutes. Take the cooked dish out of the oven. Bon appétit. See you.